Hello everyone, my name is Xavier, the math scientist. If you watched my previous video before, you already know that I have gone defeated by the puppet master, unfortunately. But I'm here for I'm gonna be here for a sweet match and see if I could win. Okay, I'm gonna be doing cold shot. Okay. First to earn this month's buddy. New treasure track is live. Hmm. Ooh. Okay, some interesting news here and there. Yet again, I'm still recovering, but I just hope you guys are feeling better. Okay, gonna switch it. I'm just gonna switch out my pets for a second. I'm gonna add him to here. Get this. This pet is the penta is the of the month, believe it or not. I know, crazy, right? Hmm. Click on the comment section below. Well, what other pet do you think I should add? I guess I'm gonna click Mirrorhawk. Okay. Pet I to team. Now I'm going to fight the puppet master. That sounds fun, right? I know I said before, but I'm saying it again. Want to play? Oh, okay.
You're becoming quite the pest, you know.
I am quite a puppet master. You know why? Because I keep coming back. Okay.
Prepare yourself, wizard. I have a few tricks up my sleeve that will leave you amazed.
Oh, what tricks will you have, puppet master? Okay. Oh. Hmm. Well, that's interesting. Don't you cackle at me. It's rude to cackle, you know. What is the polynomial of this shape? Okay. Okay. 174. Okay, let's see here. Boom and boom. Boom. Alright. Let's go complete measurement. But nice if I do say so myself. Measurement. Why all my moves are all of my moves just chomp? I don't know how that's supposed to be fair. But the thing is, the chomps moves, the puppet master can resist the chomp moves. So yeah, you can see how that's a problem. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, not bad. Shallow shock, I guess. Oh. 160. Not the greatest spell, but I suppose I can make it work. Okay, I guess I'm gonna use a pencil and paper. Okay. Okay. 240. 26 plus 234 equals, let's see here, put 0 there and the tiny one up here. 4 plus 3 equals 7 plus 1 equals 8. Over here, I know that 6 plus 4 equals 10, so what I did here is that I put 0 here and put a tiny 1 up here. And 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the answer is 480. Nice. Shadow Blast. Boom. 203. Okay. Ow.
Try not to hit your own friends too hard.
What do you mean by that, Puppet Master? No, not Bellhawk. Oh, thank goodness he fumbled. Oh boy. Let's see here. Six boxes. Nice. What do you say? So, now it's time to unleash the nature's fury. 303 days. I'm starting to think he has way armor, guys. Okay, let's do Flame Burst and 172. Okay. Ow. Okay, thankfully he gives my pet back. Which obviously
You don't stand a chance against my magic.
Huh. And what is that supposed to mean? Ow! No! He just took milk. And oh, he fumbled.
What your shadow magic destroys, our astral powers can restore!
Okay. Oops. Oh, nice! He regained our health and we get our spell back. Okay, let's do Leaf Swarm on him. 202. Let's do Starbit. Okay. Almost 300 damage. Oh. Okay.
Fancy spells won't save you now.
Uh-oh. Oh no, he's got regenerate. He's not even close to down yet. It just became a lot more harder than I expected. Oh boy. A group of 4 people are sharing jelly beans. Each person wants 6 jelly beans and each box has 3 jelly beans. How many boxes do they need? 8 boxes. Let's do Shadow Shock. Okay. And I've got the all-out attack. Wonder how much this bad boy will do. 563. Pretty good, if I do say so myself. Oh. Oof.
I don't understand how a puny wizard like you keeps fighting.
Okay. No, he takes my pet again. Ow. Okay, 4 is the answer. Looking good. Start a bit. Okay. I don't want to hit my pet because we're hoping that the Puppet Master will give it back. Maybe if the Puppet Master does give it back, my pet would just be at less help, which is a complete disadvantage.
Give up! My shadow magic is just too powerful!
Oh.
Yeah, right! You're on your last legs, Puppet Master! Wait, are there even legs under that robe?
That is a great question, dude. I was starting to wonder myself. And here's my pet again. He just took out my own wizard. Wow, the Puppet Master is actually a monster, guys. Owie.
You are strong, but not strong enough!
Strong enough. Oof. Ow. Defeated again.